It's 9 p.m. and we just arrived in Rome, but we're super hungry, so we're gonna go find some dinner. We only have one day in Rome, but we're gonna make the most of it and eat some really good food. So stick around and see what we eat.
We're in Rome for one day and we're sharing everything we ate, including the 4 best pastas you can eat in Rome, delicious Roman street food, fantastic gelato, and the best tiramisu in Rome. Let's get started.
We came to meet Coco for dinner. It's near Piazza Navona. And after about a half-hour wait in line, we got seated at about 9:30 p.m. on a Saturday. I'd say that's pretty good. And the food so far is delicious. We'll do our best to tell you how things are, but it's very loud in here.
Got caprese with mozzarella di bufala. This looks so good. The tomatoes are so fresh, sprinkled with oregano. There's some basil in there. This is delicious. And I've got an Aperol Spritz. Perfect. I got pasta alla Gricia, which is a pasta with a cheese sauce and bacon, or guanciale. I have never had this before, but this is incredible. I can't believe it took me 5 visits to Italy to try this. Perfect amount of saltiness with the cheese and the guanciale. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Highly recommend.
I got the spaghetti alla carbonara, and the main difference between mine and Karin's is that it has egg in the sauce. Wow. That is amazing. And you can taste that egginess. Very creamy, very smooth. That bacon is so good as well.
We're not sure how much you could hear of our commentary because it was very loud in there, but the food was to die for. The wait might be long, but it's absolutely worth the wait.
And although we're full, there's always room for gelato.
Always. Let's go get some. We came to Frigidarium for some of the best gelato in Rome. I got a piccolo cono, which means a small cone, and it comes with 2 flavors. I got Frigidarium flavor and crema fiorentina. I think they both contain Nutella, and I also got it with panna, which is cream. And the Frigidarium has a delicious cookie on top, our favorite. We always take a bag home when we come back from Italy. And the Frigidarium is a must get. It's their signature flavor. It's like kind of a cake batter with Nutella. It is so good.
I got mine chocolate dipped, which is also something you can do here. And I got pistachio and nocciola, which is hazelnut. Wow, there's nothing better than gelato. I'm very messy. You gotta eat these fast before they melt.
It's a long line, but this gelato is absolutely worth the wait. And it is such an affordable price, too. You cannot miss Frigidarium if you are in Rome. Incredible. Today was a very long travel day, but we actually ended up getting some really good food.
Oh yeah.
But we're not done yet. We have a lot more food to go, so we will see you tomorrow.
In the morning, we enjoyed breakfast at our hotel with a nice view of the Trevi Fountain.
Well, we're passing through Piazza Navona on our way to find some Suppli for lunch.
Ooh.
And this place is a fantastic place to hang out. It's great people watching all day long. We want some lunch, so let's go find it. Well, we found some delicious food. We came to I Suppli dei Coronari for, obviously, Suppli. Suppli is a traditional street food that you can find all over Rome. These are fresh made. It's basically rice balls filled with different things. This one that I'm holding is the classico, which is chicken, tomato, mozzarella, and parmesan. Should be pretty good.
Probably a little hot too.
Look at that. Look at that pull. Oh my gosh, it's still going.
Do you need a little help?
Wow, that is so good. Obviously very freshly made. It's got a good tomato flavor, very creamy on the inside. Rice is soft, not crunchy. This is really good.
And I got the Suppli carbonara. It's got egg pecorino, guanciale, and mozzarella. Let's take a bite. Wow, it's very creamy. This one's more of like a white sauce kind of type of thing, not a red sauce, no tomatoes in here. It's like the perfect carbonara inside a tasty little present.
For our last suppli, we got the Amatriciana, which is tomato, pecorino, mozzarella, and guanciale. Looks really good. The cheese and the tomato mixed together becomes very creamy. You've got a little bit of savory saltiness from the guanciale. This is delicious. All three flavors of suppli that we've tried are delicious, but I think my favorite has to be the carbonara. For a little after lunch snack, we came to Pompi, which is known for their tiramisu, and I got banana Gelato tiramisu. I've had this before, so I know it's already going to be good. Let's dig in. So good. And if you're not a coffee person like I'm not, get this. You can't hardly taste any coffee, even though it is tiramisu. I'm getting misted right now by restaurant misters. This is the misters and the tiramisu. Perfect combo. After a long day, it's time to get some dinner. And we saw this place last night, but we didn't go there because the line was astronomically long. So we're gonna check out Cantina and Cucina, and we're gonna see what they have. Let's go. To start, we got ham and melon, or prosciutto e melone, and you're supposed to eat them together. Looks very good, but melon might not be in season right now, so we'll see. The flavors are delicious. You have a little bit of saltiness from the ham, sweetness from the melon. It's a great combo, and it'd be better if it were July because that's melon season.
Tonight I got the Cacio e Pepe, which is cheese and pepper on pasta. Looks very good. Very cheesy. Not too much pepper. It's a good level of pepper. Very tasty.
I got the Amatriciana, which is tomato sauce, cheese, and guanciale. The tomatoes and cheese combination makes it such a creamy sauce. The guanciale makes it nice and salty, and the pasta is cooked perfectly, so it has a nice amount of chew to it. This is really good.
Well, dinner was amazing.
It was very filling, and we're very glad we tried Cantina e Cucina. There's always room for gelato, isn't there? So we're actually heading back to Frigidarium. Yes, we've been there before, but it is so good.
It's the best.
It's the best. It really is. So let's get some. It was a really tough choice, and I was struggling. I really wanted to get exactly what I got last night, but I branched out. I got stracciatella and fior di latte. So that's like chocolate chip and just a basic cream. Looks really good. That is so good.
I got crema fiorentina and Cacio. Wow. That chocolate is amazing. Kind of like hazelnut chocolate. Tastes just like the candy. Baci.
We're back in Piazza Navona, and it's the end of our one day in Rome. We've had some really good things to eat. What was your favorite?
I think the carbonara.
That is a good choice.
How about you?
For me, it has to be Frigidarium. You cannot top that, in my opinion. It has been a great food adventure in Rome, but we are calling it a night. We will see you in the next one.
We only have one day in Rome, but we're going to make the most of it. We came to Mimi e Coco for dinner. It's near Piazza.
Do you have anything to say?
I don't know. No. Was there anything else we were going to say?
No.
Okay.
And today was a very long travel day, and I can't believe how much we actually ended up doing. No,
Yeah.
we didn't actually end up doing stuff.
I can't see.
I know. I'm blind.
Is it wide angle?
It is.
I'm trying the Suppli carbonara. It's got egg, pecorino, guanciale, and one more ingredient?
I completely blanked. I don't remember what I'm saying.